Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by locking down essentials. Pick whether you use an API model or an open-source checkpoint and confirm budget limits. Once chosen, gather your data, intents, sample dialogues, and 1,000 plus clean turns if you can to teach behavior. Next, provision compute. A cloud GPU or local machine, Dockerize your environment, and store API keys securely. Make sure to version control code and data from the first commit so you can iterate safely. This avoids rework later when you expand capabilities. Once your environment and data exist, design the conversation architecture. Create a system prompt, user template, and few-shot examples that encode style and safety. Decide whether to fine-tune a smaller model for custom behavior or use prompt engineering with a larger API model. Experiment with both to measure latency and cost. Implement the pipeline, NLU to extract intent/slots, dialogue state to track context, response ranking to choose replies, and caching to cut repeated costs. Iterate with quick A/B tests to refine quality. To finish, deploy using CI/CD so every change is tested and rolled out safely. Enable monitoring, rate limits, and auto-scaling to handle load. Run thorough tests, end-to-end dialogues, edge cases, hallucination probes, and collect real user feedback to close the loop. Make sure to log user prompts and model outputs for debugging. If something breaks, roll back via your CI, replay logs in a dev environment, and use simulated load tests to identify bottlenecks. This single troubleshooting approach saves hours of firefighting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.